nhớ rong nó ya chặt lô cái ổn định của món mulch cho chùa. Hello. So I promise that I will give you an update on my 3 islands of flower after we lay down all the mulch, and we are done. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is number 1, all done. And then number 2, and we have number 3 over here. So I'm actually in the middle. So anyway, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see what they look like. So here we are looking from the outside into the inside of the 3 flowers islands. We put the fence around it. This is electric fence in order to keep the deers away from the flowers. Otherwise we would not have any flowers. And the 3 islands are all done with the red mulch. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty neat. It's a lot better than what it was. Love it. So now you get to see me showing off my islands. Thanks for stopping by. What cho me lo stop by nữa, xin chít lo lì ra.